In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about Amazon and winning products that you should start selling on Amazon. This is how I was able to grow $1 million business selling on Amazon and doing private label. Literally going to show you step-by-step instructions of what you should sell, what winning products that you should be looking for to sell, and why. So let's go on the laptop really quick here. And you can just see the profit that I've been making on Amazon. I'm over $1 million in sales as of this year. Profit margin I like to aim for is 35%. A little lower this year because I had to liquidate a couple of items because they weren't selling really well, but it's okay. We still have a nice net profit of $440,000. This is really good, but what allowed me to grow my Amazon business is I had to find the winning products that actually are good to sell on Amazon. So when it comes to selling on Amazon, the whole structure of it, I like to break it down with my students to 3 simple steps. Very simple. First thing, you need to sell something that's not so competitive on Amazon, especially if you're starting off. The less competitive, the more chances of you being successful with Amazon. You want to sell something that's not so competitive, that has, decent to high search volume. That way you can get it ranked on the first page easily. You can stay there, start making some profit from that and reinvest it into the business, invest it into the second product, the third product, fourth, fifth, build a long-term business from this. I didn't have these numbers like the first year I sold on Amazon. I literally grew it from the ground up. Started with my first product, reinvested it, the second, third. Like I said, on average, I want every student of mine, anybody that's watching this video, to average at minimum $250 to $300 profit per product. This is a very, very realistic goal. Honestly, it's very possible, super easy to do. Honestly, if you're averaging, let's say $300 profit per day, 300 times 30, that's $9,000 a month, and 9 times 12, that's over 100 grand a year profit you can be making off one product. And this is very, very realistic with Amazon. Super realistic. I've taught students, they do this exact thing. This tool is called Helium 10. This is what I use to find winning products. It gives me the data I need to find winning products. If you want Helium 10, I'll leave it in the description down below. Let's talk more about what makes a winning product, right? Because there's so many products here on Amazon. There's so many different things and we don't know what to sell. A lot of people are passionate about something that they want to sell, and that's what they want to sell because they have a hobby towards it or passion, but you don't want to do this at all. Trust me, don't want to do this. Instead, fall under these 3 categories. You want to sell something that's not so competitive, has decent to high search volume. You want to sell products that are small and light. Smaller the better in my opinion. Honestly, like 3 pounds or less, especially if you're starting off. You could go with something bigger, heavier, but that's like more advanced, and I don't recommend beginners to do this. I still don't do it. I still only sell products that are 3 pounds or less. I don't deal with it because I don't want to pay extra for shipping and then customers returning it and stuff like that. I honestly don't want to deal with that. I prefer small, light products, ideally 1 pound or less. If you can get that, even perfect. And you want to make sure that product cost. This is a step 3, product cost. So you want to make sure the profit margin for a product is 35% or higher. And what you're going to need to do this is have a product cost that's over $16 or higher. If you can sell a product that's like $20, $25, something like this, even better for you. It's more ideal. You're gonna get a higher profit margin with this, especially if the product that you're sourcing from China is around like $2 to $3. You're gonna be having a very successful Amazon FBA business. Really, really ideal to do that. High profit margin is ideal. If you're trying to do Amazon product research, after I give you like some ideas of winning products, you can always use Helium 10 that I'm showing you guys here. One of the best tools, I'm telling you. It allows you to get all the data and insight of whether or not you should sell a product. You're gonna have these product ideas that I'm gonna show you. And with this right now that I'm gonna show you, you're gonna be able to grasp a couple of ideas. And then what I would prefer you to do is to put these ideas into Helium 10 and then see if they're good to sell or not. See the numbers, see everything. If you want a full in-depth of product research video, I'll have it. It's on my YouTube channel. All the information is always free. Also, it's on my free course where I help you guys out as well. Listen, this channel is all about helping you guys. So all I ask you, just hit that like button, subscribe. Really appreciate it. Trying to help you guys out as much as possible. Information is always free, how you can build this business. Let's talk more about this. So here's a winning product that I personally see. This look, this thing only has 5 reviews here, right? Let's go to the 30-day sales. You can see they sold over 2,000 units here with the tool with Helium 10, and it's just crazy because the Amazon FBA fees to sell this product is only $13, and this is the shipping fee plus this is shipping fee and the Amazon fee, $13. Plus you have to include the product cost. How much is this type of product? I already sourced it on Alibaba.com. I already found it for you guys. And if you're not familiar with Alibaba, this is the place where you can find all the manufacturers from China. And look, I already found it for you. If this is the same exact product as this, I already did some research, and you can actually get this product for on average $3. So let's say $3 for this product, so $16 in total. They're selling it over $30. That shows you that you can be making around $15 to $16 profit per unit. They sold 2,000 this month. So what is that? That's like $30,000 profit off this product in 1 month. Insane. What a crazy product to start selling. Only 5 reviews. 5 reviews. I honestly think though, hear me out, I think that this product, why it did so well, is because we're gonna go here on Amazon Finds. On TikTok, this is a great way where you can find winning products here. You can see like people like to make videos of these type of products, and I do feel like this type of product here was on Amazon Finds, and then people searched it up and bought it because there's not a lot of people selling this type of product here. There's only like, I looked up this type of rotating shelves for bathrooms. These are the type of products that I personally like to sell. Something that's like real niche, not competitive, that people find interesting. This thing rotates, it's really cool. Only 5 reviews, over $30,000 profit. Insane. You can go to TikTok and put Amazon Finds, or even on Instagram on the search tab, you can click Amazon Finds. You'll find a ton of these videos, right? And this is a great way where you can get ideas of some things that people think are really cool that you can start selling as well. So with these type of products, you can find a bunch of ideas of what you want to start selling. And I really like this. It's a really cool idea to just brainstorm and think of new product ideas. And there's unlimited potential with this, right? You can just so many videos of people promoting really cool products. Then what you want to do is check it on Helium 10. Helium 10 is a paid software, but I highly recommend you to do it in order to do product research. This gets more detailed, so it's a longer video. If you want the Helium 10 full product research, I have a whole video on that. I'll try to link it in the description down below, or you can just check it out on my YouTube channel. It's all there for you. It's like a longer video. It's like 20 minutes, but it really gives you all that information you need to find out whether a product is competitive or not, how you can get it ranked on the first page, profit margin, everything like that. It shows you, I talked to you guys all about that. That's something that's on there. If you're interested in learning how to do this whole process of selling on Amazon and exactly what you need to do, here to help you guys out as much as possible. I also have a free course for you guys. Literally, there's nothing needed. Free course for all the beginners out there trying to learn. I have it in the description as well as in the pinned comments. You can literally learn how to sell on Amazon in 3 minutes from now. Nothing needed. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you. Also, I also have a more advanced course on there for you that I give you guys also for free for a month, and you can literally finish the course in a month. And if you want, this is more if you want to take it like a full serious, try to make these exact numbers, like $1 million in sales, grow a long-term career in a business, or doing a career change. The advanced course is always there for you, free for the first month. And then I also charge after the first month. It's like a really cheap membership, super affordable, and not like these gurus out there charging like $2,000 to pitch you something it's insane. I'm trying to help you guys out. Also, all the information here in my YouTube channel is always free. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I reply to all the comments and try to help you guys out as much as possible. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.